Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to do is show you how to change the background of your PS5, the appearance of your PS5. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got my PS5 console opened up here on the main screen. The first thing you need to do is go to the top right hand corner here. There's a couple of things that I'm going to show you in this video. So go to the top right hand corner until you see this cog here. So I'm going to use my controller, scroll to the right, go to the settings cog here, click on X, and then it will go to this screen here. Now from this screen what you need to do is scroll down to where it says system. So there you go, down here where it says system, click on X there. So once you've clicked on X, scroll down on the left side in the menu here to where it says appearance. So I'm going to go down here to where it says appearance. Now click on X, and what PS or Sony have done, they've added a feature where you can change the appearance to the older consoles. So you can select a design to apply to your home screen and other areas from your favorite generation of PlayStation. So that's a cool feature which I wanted to show you first and foremost. So I'm going to click on X, and currently my PS5 is set to show the appearance of the old PS2 because that was possibly one of my favorite consoles. You can choose PlayStation, you can set it to default, and you can see the preview here at the bottom of what your PS5 would look like. Once you scroll down, PS3 and PS4. So I'm going to leave it as I'm going to change it to PS4 for the purpose of this video. Click on that and it will go. I click on back, you can see the appearance has changed to the PS4, or how the PS4 would look. But another thing you would have noticed is you can see an animated background here. You can see that. So I'm going to show you that in this part of the video. So what you need to do is from the home screen, go down one until you are on one of the widgets, but where you want to be is here, this one here, this option here. This allows you to change this background here. Okay, so scroll up one, scroll up another one until you are highlighted on the widgets section. You scroll to the right a couple of times, not the change preset one, but the change background one here. So you click on X on the change background option, and from here you can choose from a selection of general PlayStation backgrounds. If I scroll down, there's a lot of different PlayStation backgrounds you can choose from. Currently, top right hand corner, this is the one that's being selected. This is an animated one which I quite like, and I've left on there, but you can go down, choose different ones. So if I wanted the one here, this cool fireplace looking one which is also animated and it's got some sound, I'm going to click on that one, and you can see there's a nice animation now, but also you've got a sound effect up here which you can see. If I go to the top again, so at the moment we're in the from PlayStation section. If we go to games, now this will show backgrounds from all the games I've actually installed and played on this console. So you've got lots of different backgrounds. So if I like this one here at the bottom, this one, the one with Astro on it, click on it and it will change to the Astro background there. Just very quickly, just showing you how to change the appearance for your PS5, but also change the background there. So that's just a very quick and easy video showing you how to do this. Incidentally, before I stop the video, please do like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, please share my video to your friends, anybody. I am appreciative of the support. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye now.